Hi, this is Darren Johnson, creator of the Knowledge is Power Plan, and I wanted to just drop this quick video to talk about a couple of things. Forgive me for my lighting, but I wanted to get this message out. I'm in the parking lot about to pick up my wife from her psychotherapy private practice, and I wanted to talk to you about your business and what my plan is for you. Now, I've got a lot of things in place that are going to benefit you greatly. And I want you to know that once you join my team, you're going to have access to everything that I know in regards to how to make money on the internet. Now, some of that has to do with trainings that I've taken that I'm actually implementing inside my business. I'm going to give you access to a spreadsheet that I'm using that helps me figure out the exact formula to hit the income goals that I have and what I can do daily to achieve those goals. And the other thing that I have for you is obviously you're going to get access to my Knowledge is Power library, where you're going to be able to follow me on my journey, learn my plan, learn my strategies, and learn how you can implement those strategies for yourself. So I'm going to keep this video short, but I wanted to send this message out to you to let you know that I've got your back when it comes to making money online. I've been in the business for about 5 or 6 years. I'm constantly a student of the business, and I'm constantly learning the fundamentals of what it's going to take. Not necessarily the hacks or the tricks that are, the shiny objects that people are promoting on Facebook or on the internet that they last for maybe 3 or 4 months and then it fizzles out, or some fancy course that people are selling you, and then you buy it and then you learn that the stuff that they're teaching you is passe and it doesn't help you in your business. We're going to get down to the fundamentals of what it's going to take to be successful online, and we're going to get trained. We're going to learn. I'm going to teach you how to build your business, build it the right way on a solid foundation so that it doesn't crumble. And with these tools that you're going to learn, you're actually going to be able to build any business that you want, either online or offline. I'm actually using these same techniques to help my wife build up her private practice, okay? And that's an offline venture, obviously, just to show you that once you have the fundamentals down pat, it doesn't matter if your business is online or offline, okay? You just plug in your formula, you run your numbers, and you take certain action steps strategically, and you, before you know it, you look up and you have your goals. So if you have a burning desire to be successful and you came online looking to change your life financially, then this is the best place to do it, and I'm the one to help you get there. So reach out to me, feel free to stay close to me, connect with me, respond to this email, or you can check out my videos on my website, knowledgeispowerplan.com. Or follow me on Facebook and send me a friend request. Let's talk. Let's get together. Let's make this happen. Okay, this is Darren Johnson. I'm a creator of the Knowledge is Power Plan, and I'm going to talk to you in another video. Thank you.